Hello guys, it's Washerlad 2014 here. Right, this is part 3 of the Miele on its Cottons 40 with a full load, and we're on the first in, and right now we're on the first interspin. It's going to do slow ramp up. Slowly ramping up. I think it's doing what those older Mieles did. It was like the Miele that Brandon Florence Bellardo 40'c tested at British Art Foundation. I think it's doing what that did. Like when it suds locked, it was like really slowly ramp up. And I think that's what this machine's doing. Or maybe it's because it's a full load. And maybe it's just doing that to prevent a water lock or suds lock. So we are now at 1000 RPM. Oh yeah, we are slowing down now. I was going to say that it's been at 1000 for quite a long time, but it's now slowing down. It's slowing down, taking quite a bit of time to slow down. And we're filling for the first rinse. hold on, that's just the phone ringing, but I don't know. Yeah, I would have answered it, but like, there's nothing for like. Do apologise for that. Do apologise for that. It'll probably. Yeah, do apologise for that. If I had a stand for my camera or anything, which I am going to try and get one for Christmas, if I had a stand for my camera, then I probably would have been able to get up and answer the phone. And we're now on to the first rinse. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like the video. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you will never miss any of my videos. See you guys, and I'll see you guys in part 4 where I'll be on the second interspin, which will also be at 1000 RPM. See you guys then, goodbye.